Hi, I am really looking forward to next week's leadership style workshop and coaching session. So, this is a new series of webinars, 90 minutes long rather than the usual hour. We will be doing the mindfulness and coaching, going through the GROW framework of goals, reality, obstacles, and the way forward. And this leadership style webinar is going to be done slightly differently than previous ones. So we will be looking into what's the leader we want to be. We're going to kind of really go there in terms of, how do I see myself? How do I visualize myself as that leader in the future, whether that's in 3 months, 6 months, or, a year or two's time? And really allow ourselves to look at where we want to get to, and using mindfulness to really go inwards, really check in with ourselves for what we really want to achieve. And we'll use the steps of the GROW framework to work through, where we want to get to, where are we now, what could be holding us back, and then what steps can we take to go forward. And we'll have a good amount of time to discuss that. The other thing about leadership is that it often requires us to be out of our comfort zone quite a lot of the time. And it's a case of getting comfortable in the discomfort, really. And we will do an exercise, a bit of a workshop game to explore a bit of discomfort, being a bit uncomfortable. It's not going to be anything nasty, anything, too horrible. And actually, some of you might not find it uncomfortable at all, but something I learnt when I was at a retreat earlier this year, and I'd like us to be able to do that, bring it into the session and then discuss it earlier. So it's kind of two elements: the leadership style, going within ourselves, really looking at where we want to get to and where we are now and how do we move forward. And then also, this practical challenge of getting comfortable in the discomforts, because, we want to be out of our comfort zone really in order to keep growing and moving forward. So anyway, can't wait to see you on Tuesday. Do let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. And if not, I'll see you there.